Imagine a world where AI can understand not just text, but images, audio, and video simultaneously. This is the power of multimodal AI, transforming industries by integrating diverse data types for comprehensive insights. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Multimodal AI is revolutionizing fields like healthcare and autonomous vehicles. By combining data from various sources, it enhances decision-making and efficiency, paving the way for smarter, more responsive systems. AWS offers a suite of services like Amazon Recognition and Transcribe, essential for building multimodal AI applications. These tools analyze images, convert speech to text, and integrate seamlessly for robust AI solutions. Consider content moderation and virtual assistants. AWS services enable real-time analysis and response, ensuring applications are not only intelligent, but also scalable and efficient. Start by collecting diverse data using AWS tools. Amazon S3 stores images, audio, and text, while services like Recognition and Transcribe process this data, setting the stage for advanced AI model training. Deploy your AI models with Amazon SageMaker, integrating real-time inference using AWS Lambda and API Gateway. This setup ensures your AI system is responsive and ready for real-world applications. Multimodal AI offers businesses unparalleled insights and automation. By leveraging AWS services, companies can scale AI implementations, making them more efficient and tailored to industry-specific needs. Ready to transform your business? Start leveraging AWS AI services today to build intelligent systems that drive innovation and efficiency in your industry.